guys, what's up? So today we are on a boat in the middle of the water, you know. And I'm here with my good friends.
Hi.
And we're on a boat. I already said that, wow. Okay, well, we're on the boat. We're kind of just hanging out. I know this is bad, probably really bad hearing, you know. Alright, whatever. But yeah, we're doing some floats, some awesome time. I'm taking some clips for you guys on different little things, so I hope you guys like this. Want to say anything?
Yeah, what part? Hello. That's it. I don't.
Yeah, this is my friend Harley, so. You want to say something?
We've been doing tubing and
yeah, okay, so let's tell the story of how, let's do it this way, hold on, let's see. So we can,
hold on.
okay guys, so it's kind of really funny because we were on the float together, and then, okay, you want to tell them?
We hung on for so long, but then I tried standing up and I fell off the float into the lake. And
so then I looked back, because I was like, whoa, she's like all the way back there now. So then I ended up falling off and like almost like the tube flipped on top of me and I was like, oh, okay. So now we're just
something again.
Oh, okay.
Your YouTube video. YouTube video. Stop. I'm one friend I like to see.
So yeah, so now for the rest of the time it's gonna be just little clips of us just on the tubes and stuff like that, and maybe a little bit talking, you know.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's
all right, and also guys, hey, you want to say Happy Easter?
Yeah.
You want to say Happy Easter?
Happy
Easter! All right, guys, see you in a little bit. So it's the next day. I just wanted to say I had a lot of fun. It was really awesome. I did end up crashing and kind of hurting myself at the last little part that I didn't put in this because it was just, I kind of got hurt, you know. I bruised my finger right here, which you guys probably can't tell, and my eye is a little swollen. I was on the float near my sister and I ended up, I'm too small, I'm not heavy enough to be able to hold on, which, don't take offense to that, but you know, I mean, I was trying to hold on and it was just, every time I was like flying back, so it was kind of hard for me to stay on, so next time I know to like get a little more muscle or whatever, you know, but, so I accidentally like was holding on, I flipped off, like I did a flip, kind of like, I was sitting on my knees, and then I flipped, kind of, and then I hit something with my hand. I don't know if it was the water, the rope, or my sister, or whatever, but I had bruised my hand pretty bad. Sorry, and then, I don't know why, my eye this morning when I woke up was puffy, so, you know. But anyways, out of all of the negative things that just kind of happened, it was a great day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure, you know, like, I mean, I don't know, I thought it was really fun, so I hope you guys liked seeing me and my friends. And I hope you like all these little clips. Make sure to give this video a big like, thumbs up, you know, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And I just want to say happy Easter and thank you guys for everything you guys support me through. And thanks for letting me hit 1,000 subscribers. I love you all. Bye.